Alright, this tool wasn't working. I'm going to see if I can take it apart and figure out what's going on. To fully remove one side from the other, you have to take off the bracket and the two fasteners right in here, as well as like the 15 points or whatnot on the sides here. So if you take off the magazine, then you can entirely separate this assembly from one half to the other, and I've done that. And I was looking over the electronic components, and this piece here was actually loose, so I just popped it back in and now it's working. Now, I know if you made it this far in the video, you will probably already know this, but this is a 3mm hex. All these small ones are all the T10 Torx bits, and the two that went up here, those are T25s. And if you're having difficulty getting this part of the assembly back together, you have to take this piece here, push it down, and then push it backwards, and that kind of locks it in place. But before you get there, this assembly piece, you got to put it on the back side, wrap it around. You'll see it when you get there. Alright, here goes nothing. Got ourselves some nails.